What's up, you guys? Welcome to part 2 of the Lexus Revive. So we did all the body work, and today we're getting ready to primer the car. So we got to go ahead and tape up all the windows, all the lights, all this area, this, take this off, tape off the whole roof because the roof's not damaged. Honestly, I wanted to just like spray this freaking window, but I'll probably end up covering this too, just because I gotta cover this. Obviously I said that because I gotta get a new window, so that's why I would want to spray this whole window. But yeah, anyways, all that, gotta cover this. And using these no more, those are going away. So good thing I still have my V-lens. Cover these wheels, cover some of these areas. So I'm gonna go ahead and tape all that off so it doesn't get sprayed, so that way we can primer it. And yeah, let's get on with the Revive. Alright guys, so we got everything pretty much matched up. I still got to finish this window and then the center of that, but everything on top matched up, sides. So got one putting on the first layer primer. Sheesh. So it's coming along, and then we're gonna put on some more coats after all this. So let's get to it. Alright, you guys, so we finished up primering the car and all the very important areas. First of all, I've never seen my car black before, and it kind of actually looks pretty good. But damn, dude, some of these areas, if you guys have been following along on the last episode, man, this quarter panel especially was dented in, dude. Especially in this area, I remember when it happened and I was driving it over here to the shop for the first time, you could hear it, the tire kind of scraping in the fender because of the dents that were in this quarter panel. But look at it now, smooth as a baby's bottom. Got all this smooth out. Y'all seen how crazy the trunk hood was right here especially. Man, so much better. Definitely an experience doing all the work on my own and just kind of having someone guide me. Like I said, you guys, super big respect to you guys that do this all the time. So it was really cool for me to kind of get the experience on this. Now I know how to do this for myself. I could probably end up doing it at home or something. But yeah, so finally done with this phase of the revival. So Next, we're just gonna let it sit for about like a day or so, and then today's Saturday, so probably like Monday we'll end up like, you know, maybe like wet sanding certain areas. So there's still like small little imperfections, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna like lightly sand it with like 400 grit, and then, you know, maybe do like a wet sand in certain areas, and then maybe like hit it again with like a spray primer, and just like, you know, because we don't need like a super thick heavy coat of primer after this. Then it'll be ready for the wrap, which I'm so excited for, you guys, because this was probably the hardest part of the arrival, you know, the body work and getting all that out of the way. So I'm pretty excited to learn how to wrap the car too. All of me doing this is just giving me more like invested emotions into this car. I mean, you know, this is the car that started the channel. This is the car like where I started meeting a bunch of you guys. You know, this is really cool, you know, to learn all this stuff. So I'm super grateful and humbled. So you know what I want to do, I haven't done in a while. I haven't washed the G in a minute. I've been kind of just bringing it. Let's go ahead and give this bad boy a wash. Yee-hoo. So much better, super clean. So this is the first time I washed my wheels after I painted them 2 weeks ago, and they're holding up pretty damn well. You guys, so look where we at. Ooh. Okay, we came to see Demon Slayer. I know everyone's watching Mortal Kombat right now, but you know, I could watch that later, like on HBO Max or something. So I'm super excited for this movie. I've been trying to like find like leaks like of the movie like somewhere, but like couldn't find like a good stream. So finally the time has come to watch the Demon Slayer movie. If you guys know me, you guys know I'm a freaking anime freak. So let's go.
Many hours later.
That was freaking dope. I had so many different emotions going through the whole freaking movie. I was laughing, crying. I definitely recommend it. We watched it dubbed. I don't know how it might have been subbed. I kind of like, you know, some of the voiceovers better subbed. I feel like they give just a little bit more enthusiasm, but it wasn't that bad. It did seem like the voice actors did try in like some very, you know, pivotal moments. So definitely go check it out, you guys, if you guys are fans of Demon Slayer. You also want to watch it if you've been watching the show, so you can kind of like be caught up once the episodes kind of come back. Just know it's basically a 10 out of 10. All right, we're gonna head back to the house, you guys. See you when we get there. All right, y'all, so back home. It is currently Cinderella time, which is past midnight. So glad that I went to go see Demon Slayer. Like I said, you guys been waiting for it for a while now, and it was super good. So I'm glad that I got to go see that. Finally, we're at the good stages of the revival on the Lexus, you guys. So everything's been primered. Some of the things we just got to touch up just a little bit. So I'm super glad I got the hardest part out of the way already. I got it done like honestly in like, okay, like I want to say like at least 9 days of work. in total. Now we're just gonna get it ready or prep it for wrap. I can't wait to show you guys. There's not a lot of my generation of ISs out there with this color, but you know, some people have seen this color, so it might even be the new Nardo gray, but who knows. But anyways, you guys, that's all I got. I'm gonna go ahead and close out the episode here. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe if you guys like what you see. We're almost at 450 subscribers, you guys, so please share. A bunch of stuff is going to be happening pretty soon. Like I said, you know, we're at the final stages of where I'm trying to get the Lexus, so it's going to be exciting these next couple episodes to come. Make sure you guys are on point with it, in tune. Make sure you guys live long and prosper. It's all about longevity, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.